it's not unrealistic to see hurricanes that produce storm surges 5 up to 20 feet.
Just imagine your house underwater. A 20-foot storm surge can do that. So tonight, as part of our special reporting during Severe Weather Awareness Week, we look ahead to hurricane season, which is not far off. You got to get ready now. A lot of times, it's not the immediate storm damage, the wind damage. You think of that movie Twister with the cow and the tornado that causes the most harm. It is the potentially life-changing flooding that can have the biggest impact. Tonight, Fox 4 meteorologist Andrew Shipley with what to keep in mind when it comes to storm surge.
It's a beautiful day here on Bunch Beach, blue skies and calm waters, but during hurricane season, that will be a different story. Storm surges measured right where your toes touch the water on a non-stormy day. For instance, in 2017, Hurricane Irma produced a storm surge of 10 feet. I'm 5'9", that's well over my head. I spoke to a scientist who studied this for 2 decades, and she has real concerns for Southwest Florida.
I haven't seen a hurricane that's produced major storm surge since 1960.
That's why FGCU Dr. Joanne Muller, who specializes in studying Southwest Florida tropical systems, thinks that understanding storm surge is vital safety information. Since 1883, her research shows the region has seen 5 hurricanes producing devastating, more than 10 feet high surge.
Think of Naples, for example, Fifth Avenue, even McGregor Boulevard that sits, relatively high. It's about 10 feet. So that gives you a sense of what the flooding would be like.
For context, if you look at data analysis firm CoreLogic's 2020 study, a single family home, meaning a home not attached to anything with land around it, Fort Myers ranks 6th highest metro in the country facing storm surge risk. It's even higher, 4th in the nation, if you add in multifamily homes like duplexes. Naples ranks 9th in both of these categories, causing Dr. Muller to have complacency concerns.
I think we are actually highly susceptible here to storm surge, and I don't think people are prepared for it. I don't think they're insured for it.
Insurance questions, because that coastline pushing water can destroy infrastructure. National Weather Service Warning Coordinator Daniel Noah says think about a fish tank.
That was 3 feet squared and filled it with salt water. It would weigh 1,700 pounds. And imagine that fish tank is moving at you at 20 miles an hour and you try to stop it. Now imagine millions of fish tanks pushing on buildings.
Now consider that on top of most of Southwest Florida's coastline being a few feet above sea level, Dr. Muller says it is only a matter of time before that deadly storm surge happens here.
In this day, in this warming world, it's not unrealistic to see hurricanes that produce storm surges of 5 up to 20 feet. We've seen it happen nearly every season for the last decade. We are a prominent hurricane target area. We just have gotten really lucky.
While we don't know if Southwest Florida will be affected by a hurricane this summer, it's never too early to revisit your hurricane plan and know if you are in an evacuation zone. At Bunch Beach, meteorologist Andrew Shipley, Fox 4.
An expert from FGCU also told Andrew it would take years, not months, years, for Southwest Florida to recover from catastrophic storm surge. Tomorrow night, we focus on how to protect your family and your property from wildfire. Let's get to Fox 4 certified chief meteorologist